Number 15. Scottish Highlands. Unveil the sweeping grandeur of the Scottish Highlands, a landscape steeped in lore and natural majesty. Here, the stark beauty of rugged mountains and deep lochs weaves a tapestry of emerald and blue, framed by the vast skies above. This northern expanse is not only a haven for adventurers, but also a reservoir of centuries-old traditions and tales. Trek through the Highlands, beginning perhaps with the iconic Loch Ness. While famed for mythical creatures, the real magic lies in its serene waters and the surrounding hills that rise sharply from the shore, cloaked in mists that blur the line between reality and legend. Trace the echoes of history at the battlefields of Culloden, where whispers of the past linger in the winds, or wander through the ruins of Urquhart Castle on Loch Ness banks, imagining life in the Highlands through the ages. Conclude your day in a cozy village pub, where the warmth of Highland hospitality and a dram of peaty whiskey offer a fitting end to your journey through this breathtaking region. In the Scottish Highlands, every view and verse tells a story, inviting you to be part of its continuing saga. Number 14. Monument Valley.